Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of the QiYi Skewb. So, when I got this out of the packet, I was actually surprised by how good it looked. This is a stickerless one. I highly recommend getting the stickerless one if you're going to get this cube. It looks amazing. The colors are really nice and vibrant. I especially like the green. But yeah, this is a nice looking cube. The only things that I don't like are these holes here. I'm pretty sure that helps with the turning, because if that was filled in, then it would be a lot harder to turn because it would get in the way of the corner. And also, on the inside of some corner pieces, it's all one color. Like this one on the inside is all blue, which doesn't really look that great. Like on this one, it's white and green and orange, which makes it look really nice. But I think the only one that you can see that one is the white, because it's so light, and maybe a little bit on the yellow. I have no idea of the mechanism of this one, but I do know that on the inside of the white and the yellow, so here and here and here and here, there are these metal balls. Yeah, there. And then on the inside of all the corners, there are grooves, and that helps to stop the cube so that you can get the right corner cutting. Yeah, which definitely helps it to be a really fast cube. This cube is actually surprisingly smooth. It's a bit clicky because of the metal balls again, but it's actually really nice to move. You don't have to put much effort into it. One thing I do not like about this cube is I have dropped it so many times. It's nice and stable, thankfully. So, yeah, it's tough. But unfortunately, when you pick it up, be sure to pick it up using the faces. So put your thumb on the face and your finger on a face. Because if you pick it up by the corners, it just slips. Yeah, and that's why I dropped it so many times. And I'm not the only one, I'm sure. The Skewb is definitely an interesting puzzle. It's really weird because you hold it on one corner and then turn the other, and then it turns like that. How I like to think of it is you turn it in two halves. So on each half there are 3 faces and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. And because of that, when you turn it, you only have to turn it 3 times to get it back to normal. So 1, 2, 3, since there are only 3 faces rotating at once. Yeah, so this cube is definitely really, really interesting and quite tricky sometimes as well. But you can get over it if you think about it for a while and get using it. The cube is, yeah, I highly recommend getting it. Here it says Morfang. I think that's something to do with the brand. But yeah, highly recommend getting this cube. If you're starting to want to get some higher times on the Skewb, definitely recommend getting this. Or if you're just starting Skewb, then you can get this as well. Works for beginners too. This was my very first Skewb. Still my only one, because I can't bother getting any others. But yeah. If any of you guys are wondering how much this was, it's about $12 to $14, $12 to $15. So quite high end for a Skewb. But it's pretty good price for the quality that you're getting. I mean, it's a great Skewb. Also, if you guys want to learn how to do the Skewb, I'm going to make a video on how to solve the Skewb. I use Monkey Dude, whatever his name is. Look him up. He explains it really well. I'll try to do that as well. But yeah, I use his method. Credit to him. Yeah, so go ahead and watch that. And that brings us to the end of this review. Thanks for watching.